When I started working from Grippo Automation, there was no electrical software, and once we started using SolidWorks Electrical, we needed components, we needed to build our library to be efficient in our designs, especially control panels. It wasn't very difficult because SolidWorks Electrical has got a big library from many famous manufacturers like Siemens, Schneider, Allen Bradley, just a few big companies. It's just a matter of dragging and dropping from the schematics onto panel layout, which then allows to find out the space you need in a panel, to size the panel. It's very straightforward. It will be it's much easier than finding out the size of the components on the data sheets and creating the library yourself. It's all there for you. You can just use it. At Grippo Automation, we design and build unique machines. Each of them is different. Therefore, it's always time-consuming to generate new set of drawings and associated part lists, cable lists. All these documents are very useful for our panel and machine builders. They are the people who will need them the most, obviously. And it would be a very time-consuming task, but thanks to automated reporting system in SolidWorks Electrical, it's just one click and it's generated for you. Reports in SolidWorks Electrical, it's a big, very powerful tool. I must admit it's not easy to use. There are many of them. They need to be configured to your own needs. But again, Solid Solutions is there to help you with that. I haven't come across the situation when Solid Solutions didn't give me an answer on how to format or which kind of data pull from the database to the report, whether it's wire lists, components lists, as a bill of material, or even terminal drawing, which is very helpful for panel builds. It's all there for you. We implemented this with big help of Solid Solution. It was great from day one. Installation was quite difficult, but with Solid Solution it seems to be very, very easy. They've done it for us. I think without it we would do it completely wrong, and it would take us so much more time to get it back on the right track. So therefore I think, you know, employing Solid Solution was the best thing we could do at this stage. Then every single problem that we had, Solid Solution was always there, almost holding our hands and helping with solving all the little and bigger issues. The answers were always there. I've learned a lot then from help over the phone or with Dave visits, things I didn't know how to achieve. It became my second nature. I was probably spent days and months figuring out how to do it, and I'll pull all the remaining hairs out of my head. But with Dave's help and all these tutorials that I received, now I think I can do whatever I want.